Hello folks, I'm Big John the Dreammaker right here at 44 Auto Mart, 998 Frost Avenue, Bardstown, Kentucky. And I've got a great vehicle to show you here on a rainy day special. We got a 2010 Chevrolet Malibu, real nice little four-cylinder. This thing is super nice. We got two-tone cloth interior, great gas mileage. John, our producer, is going to go in here and show you a picture of the interiors. Plenty of room. Good sound and stereo system. Front and back, plenty of room in the back seat for people. Nice little car. Got the alloy wheels on it. Moving around here. 2010 Chevrolet Malibu. This thing here is beautiful, sleek. This is the local trade-in. It's only got 53,000 miles on it. We got some new tires on it. It's been going over by our service center out back. It's ready to go. Be a great commuter car. Be a great first car for a school student or whatever, somebody going to college. But come and see us, Big John the Dreammaker, 44 Auto Mart at 998 Frost Avenue. Of course, the phone number is 502-331-0171. Great deal on a gas saver, only $99.44. Come and see us. Thanks a lot, rainy day special, right here.